Hello! Today we are going to be making a quick and easy fortune teller. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is you have your origami paper and you need to make sure that the side with the color is on the back side. If your paper is two-sided and it is the same color, this step doesn't matter. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do, we're going to fold the paper triangularly so it looks a little like this. So fold it in half. And the next thing you're going to do, you're going to fold that in half again. You need to make sure that everything is aligned so it looks nice and neat. Then you're going to unfold everything. Okay, so what you're going to do now is now the middle is marked out. So you're going to take this corner and put it to the middle. And you're going to do the same with all the other three. So take the corner, put it to the middle. Take another, fold it to the middle. Take another corner and then fold it to the middle. Okay, so then you should have something that looks like this. Flip it over and then back again. It looks just, it's perfect, like everything is covered into one color. So then you should flip it back and then do the same thing. Take the corner and then put it into the middle. Again, do that with all the other three. Take a corner and then put it to the middle. Take a corner and put it to the middle. Okay, once you do that with this last corner, what you're gonna do, you're gonna flip it back, and then you have these little tiny squares. So what you're gonna do now is you're gonna fold it in half, like this. So then there are two squares on each side. Okay, so now is a little bit of the tricky part. You're gonna grab this one square and put your thumb under it. And then the other side, there's this square, and then you're gonna put your index finger under it. So then you get like kind of this thing. You're gonna do the same with the other. Get the fingers under the squares, and you kind of pinch them together, but that can be hard to do. So you might just want to like fold this line like the opposite of this one. And then what you're gonna do, well, this is what you can do, there are other ways, but you can pinch these two from the outside and then kind of just like zoom them in. And then once you're done with that, you can just take your fingers, put them inside, and then the shape has already been created for you. So you can just pinch them in again, and ta-da! You have a simple, easy fortune teller. Now, obviously, you can write little fortunes in them, and you have to number everything. So you can unfold that and do these little here. So step by step, you can, get those fortunes written. But that is basically all you need to fold one. So I hope you enjoyed this, and if you followed along, I hope your fortune teller looks good. And that is it for today.